Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Aquaphor Chapstick is probably one of the most essential items in any skincare routine, especially for those who suffer from dry, chapped lips. This pack offers a convenient and cost-effective way to keep your lips moisturized and protected throughout the day, whether you're battling harsh weather conditions or simply seeking daily comfort. Its unique formula is designed to provide long-lasting hydration and repair, making it a go-to solution for achieving soft, smooth lips. Number 5. Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment. Are your lips feeling dry and chapped? Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment is here to help. It provides long-lasting moisture to soothe and protect. Experience continuous hydration with our specially formulated ointment. It locks in moisture to keep your lips soft and comfortable all day long. This gentle yet effective formula is designed for sensitive lips. It works to repair and protect, leaving your lips feeling revitalized. The convenient 0.35 fl-ounce tube makes application easy and mess-free. Keep it with you for on-the-go relief whenever you need it. Choose Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment for the ultimate solution to dry, chapped lips. Get the relief and comfort your lips deserve. What we like. This offers deep, lasting hydration for severely dry lips. Its ointment-like consistency creates a protective barrier. If you have very chapped or cracked lips and need intensive repair, this is your go-to. What people say. It provides quick relief when my lips are very dry and helps lock in moisture for hours. It's unscented and it feels super rich and smooth on my lips. Really good lip treatment for chapping and dry lips. Wife is very sensitive and don't like flavored or scent. She likes this one very much. Number 4. Cliganic Organic Lip Balm Set. Introducing the Cliganic Organic Lip Balm Set, a collection of 6 delightful flavors. Experience the power of 100% natural ingredients for your lips. Say goodbye to dry and cracked lips. Our formula provides deep hydration and moisture, leaving your lips feeling soft and supple. Explore a variety of wonderful tastes with our 6 unique flavors. There's a perfect scent for everyone to enjoy. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set makes an ideal stocking stuffer or present for both men and women. We believe in the best for your skin. That's why our lip balms are crafted with only the finest organic and natural ingredients. Give your lips the nourishment they deserve. Enjoy a naturally healthy and beautiful smile every day. What we like. Enjoy a range of natural flavors with these organic balms. They provide gentle, effective moisturization using natural ingredients. If you appreciate natural products and love trying different scents, this set is perfect for you. What people say. They really give great hydration, smooth with none of that waxy feeling. Great scents. It's organic with less questionable ingredients, more product and less money than the one I normally use with the B in the name and just as good, if not better. Great flavors too. This lip balm is so smooth, but the scent flavor is not overpowering. This set has a variety pack of 6 flavors to let you get an idea of what you like. Both men and women can appreciate the moisturizing balm and the light flavor. Number 3. Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm SPF 25. Introducing our advanced lip balm, designed to provide intense hydration. It offers superior sun protection with SPF 25 to keep your lips healthy. Shield your lips from harmful UV rays with our built-in SPF 25. This essential feature helps prevent sun damage and keeps your pout protected. Experience deep moisturization like never before. This balm penetrates to soothe and soften dry, chapped lips, leaving them feeling revitalized. Enjoy long-lasting hydration throughout the day. Its nourishing formula ensures your lips stay comfortable and moisturized, even in harsh conditions. Make it your go-to for daily lip care. It's the perfect blend of protection and hydration, ensuring your lips always look and feel their best. What we like. This provides essential sun protection along with intense moisturization. It's designed to heal and protect your lips from sun damage. If you spend a lot of time outdoors or are looking for daily SPF protection, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Its emollient formula uses shea butter and avocado oil to penetrate deeply, creating a protective barrier against wind and extreme temperatures. It offers SPF 25 broad-spectrum protection, which is higher than many competitors, making it a favorite for outdoor activities. Users frequently report that it stays on through eating and drinking, requiring fewer reapplications throughout the day. Number 2. Aquaphor Lip Protectant SPF 30. Introducing Aquaphor Lip Protectant and Sunscreen Ointment. It provides broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection against the sun's harmful rays. This ointment is specifically designed to soothe and relieve chapped lips. Say goodbye to discomfort and dryness. With broad-spectrum SPF 30, it effectively shields your lips from both UVA and UVB rays. Keep your lips protected all day long. It comes in a convenient 0.35 fl-ounce tube, perfect for on-the-go application. Easily carry it in your pocket or bag. Make it your go-to for daily lip care and sun protection. Your lips will thank you for the nourishment and defense it provides. What we like? Get superior sun protection with broad-spectrum SPF 30. It effectively relieves chapped lips while shielding them from harmful rays. If you need robust sun protection and relief for dry, chapped lips, this product is ideal. What people say? It goes on smoothly, feels soothing right away, and does a great job relieving dryness without tasting weird or feeling heavy. I like that it has SPF 30, especially for outdoor days, since most lip balms don't offer real sun protection. It stays on longer than typical balms and keeps my lips comfortable even in windy or sunny conditions. It works as expected. It soothes chapped lips while providing SPF 30 protection, which was one of the main reasons I chose it. The formula feels smooth and protective without being sticky, and it holds up well for our needs. My kid's pediatrician recommended this for super dry chapped lips. It works well and moisturizes well for all weathers. Number 1. USDA Organic Lip Balm, Natural Ingredients, 4-pack Unflavored. Introducing our USDA Organic Lip Balm, crafted with care in the USA. It's made with natural ingredients to nourish your lips. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips. This unflavored balm provides deep hydration and soothing relief, perfect for everyday use. We believe in the power of nature. That's why our lip balm is made with natural ingredients and is completely unflavored for a pure experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This 4-pack makes an ideal present for both him and her, suitable for birthdays or any occasion. Elevate your beauty routine with this essential lip moisturizer. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your lips feeling soft and looking healthy. Gentlemen, this is for you too. A practical and natural lip care solution that fits perfectly into any grooming kit. What we like? This pack features USDA certified organic ingredients, ensuring purity. It's unflavored, making it perfect for sensitive lips or those who dislike scents. If you prioritize organic, natural, and unscented lip care, this multipack is a great option. What people say? It actually moisturizes the lips instead of just sitting on top of them. It feels smooth and soft without being greasy or heavy. This has a standard-sized tube with a silky smooth, firm textured balm. Not grainy bumpy. Not super smushy. The scent and flavor on both the vanilla bean and the honey are light, pleasant, and unisex. This lip balm is different. It soothes my lips immediately upon application, but it also treats and moisturizes them, reducing the unpleasant symptoms of the chapped lips I've lived with for so long. I love how long-lasting it is, too. When I apply it before going to bed, I can still feel it on my lips when I get up in the morning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.